Do you want to be my student? It's Wonnie School. Hello, I'm Wonnie. Today, we are going to learn Korean consonant. There are 14 consonants in total, and here is the consonant table. We are going to look at it one by one. Okay then, now it's time to start with the first consonant, 기역. Please listen and repeat. 기역. This 기역 has G sound. 그, 그. So it's like the word God. 그, 그. And now I will let you know how to write it down in the right way. Like the order of writing for this letter. 1. It goes only one time. One more time. 1. Let's practice to write this letter with me right now. 1. Great job. And now, here is the second one. 니은. Please listen and repeat. 니은. This 니은 has N sound. N, n. So it's like the word new. N, n. Okay, let's check out how to write in a right way. 1. Right, it's just like the alphabet L. Okay, here is 디귿, which is the third one. Please listen carefully and repeat after me. 디귿. This 디귿 has D sound. D, D. So it's like the word dream. D, dream. D. And now we are going to check how to write this letter. 1, 2. Okay, next. It's 리을. So basically, this 리을 has two sounds, which are and L. But in Korean, we do not have both sounds, but it's closer to L sound with the word 리을. As you can see, I put the word rabbit for this letter, but it can be also lemon to explain this sound. Then, let's see the order of this letter. 1, 2, 3. Did you find another two letter on this letter, 리을? Look, 1, which 기역, and 2, 3, which 디귿. So it has two letters on one letter. And it sounds what? Yeah. 르, 리을. Now, you have 4 letters on your notebook, right? And I also can see how nicely you wrote it in a right way on each letters. Alright, the next one is 미음. Please listen and repeat. 미음. This 미음 has M sound. M, m. So it's like the word move. M. And here is the order of writing. 1, 2, 3. Alright, one more time. 1, 2, 3. Great. It's not that hard, right? Let's move on to the next letter. 비읍. 비읍. It has B sound and also P sound. I'm gonna explain in a simple way. So basically, it has the sound B when you use this letter as the first letter of one word. And it has the sound P when you use this letter as the last consonant, which ending consonant of the word. Let's say if there is like this word Bob, it's gonna be like this. B-A-P, pop, for pronouns for this word. You got it, right? Well, I will explain of these things one more time on the other video, so it's okay you couldn't understand yet. Because on this video, you're just gonna know the consonant and the sound and the stroke order. So please don't worry about any other things except this. Okay, Now it's time to check how to write it down for this word 비. It's like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2 vertical lines and then 2 horizontal lines. Let's try to write it down with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect. Wow, we are already on a half of 14 consonants. It's 시옷, s, s, 시옷. So it has S sound, soon. So you could hear the sound S, right? And here is the order of this letter. 1, 2. One more time. 1, 2. Great job. Okay, next. Yeah, right. It's easiest one of the whole Korean consonant for you, I guess. Because it's just exactly same as O in English, right? The name of this letter is 이응. 이응. And it doesn't have any sound. But even though it has vowel, this one will have only vowel sound. And when it goes to the ending consonant place, it's gonna be has ng sound. Let's check out how to write it down. It starts from the top of the letter and goes to the left side and then just circle. Like this. 1. You just draw the perfect shape of the circle. Next one is 지읒. The one has J sound, which same as J sound. Just like the word juice. 주, juice, 주. And here is the order. 1, 2. One more time. 1, 2. Great. And the next one is 치읓. And this one is very similar with 지읒. Look. 지읒 and 치읒. 지읒 and 치읒. This one will have only one more line, like on the top of last one. 1, 2, 3. And it has the sound ch. You can try to say the word has ch, then you can say 치읒 with the perfect pronounce. Ch, chair, ch, channel. Yeah, like that. Wow, it's almost done. You are doing very well. I know it's very hard to study new language, so that's why I'm so much proud of you. You are doing something incredible thing for now. I think it's so much hard to do it on the beginning of all of things most of time. So I want to support you with what I can do for you right now. Please let me be your steady friend who keep go along with you while you are study Korean. Okay, let's get back to the consonant. It's kiuk. This kiuk has K sound. So it's like the word key. K, key. The order of this letter is, do you remember how to write kiuk which you learned very beginning of this video? It was this. So kiuk will have one more line like this. 1 is just same as kiuk. And then now we're gonna add one more line, 2. So it's gonna be like this. 1, 2. It's easy, right? Let's do it one more time. 1 and 2. Nice. And the next one, it looks like this. The name of this letter is 티읕. Could you hear the sound of T when I said the name of this letter? Yeah, so it's 티읕 and has T sound. So it's like trim, trim. And let's see how is the stroke order of this one. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Great. You can see 디귿, which this one on here. So you need to add only one more line on 디귿. We're almost done. It's P. P. It has P sound. So you can hear the sound of this letter when you say pop or something that starts with the alphabet P. Then let's see the order. 1, 2, 3, 4. Did you try to write it down on your notebook already? Let's do it one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect. Then let's move on to the last consonant. It's he, and it has the sound H. So it's just like the word hope. Hope. I want to ask you if you can see the other consonant on this letter. Well, do you remember Ian, which just looks same as the alphabet O? Yeah, this here has two more lines on Ian. And we can just think that Ian has roof and also chimney. So the order is gonna be like this. 1, 2, and 3. Alright, let's write it down together for the last time. You ready? 1, 2, and 3. Awesome. We just did all 14 consonants. Now you know the sound of each letter and also even know each stroke order. It's really big deal because you know the first step is the most important. And you just did it. I think it's gonna be easier whenever you learn the new Korean language things after this video. Well, it was such a great time with you. And I will see you on the next video. You will always be my student. It was Wonnie School.